Welcome to Cybersecurity Lessons. Today, we'll be talking about software security, SQL injection. Software security. Software security is a set of practices that protect software and the data it handles from malicious attacks. It includes a variety of functions to ensure the privacy, accuracy, and the accessibility of software and its data. Software security prevents attackers from stealing sensitive information like credit card numbers and trade secrets. Software security helps build trust with users by protecting their data and privacy. Software security reduces the risk of breaches, which means businesses don't have to pay costly recovery and remediation costs. SQL injection. One of the main software attacks is SQL injection. This attack consists of insertion or injection of a SQL query via the input data from the client to the application. The impact SQL injection can have on a business is far-reaching. A successful attack may result in unauthorized viewing of user lists, the deletion of entire tables, and in certain cases, the attacker gaining administrative rights to a database, all of which are highly detrimental to a business. How it happens. SQL injection usually occurs when you ask a user for input, like their username or user ID, and instead of a name or ID, the user gives you a SQL statement that you will unknowingly run on your database. If there is nothing to prevent a user from entering the wrong input, the user can enter some sort of smart input. A hacker might get access to all the usernames and passwords in a database by simply inserting 105 or 1 equal 1 into the input field, which is always true. Blind SQL injection vulnerabilities. Many instances of SQL injection are blind vulnerabilities. This means that the application does not run the results of the SQL query or the details of any database errors within its responses. You can retrieve information by triggering different responses conditionally depending on an injected condition. How to block SQL injection. Input validation, which is the practice of writing code that can identify illegitimate user inputs. A web application firewall is commonly employed to filter out SQL injection as well as other online threats. To do so, a WAF typically relies on a large and constantly updated list of meticulously crafted signatures that allow it to surgically weed out malicious SQL queries. You can prevent most instances of SQL injection using parameterized queries instead of string concatenation within the query. These parameterized queries are also known as prepared statements. For parameterized query to be effective in preventing a SQL injection, the string that is used in the query must always be hard-coded constant.